So good morning guys, today's Wednesday and I got the package. Wait. I got the package from Amazon. So got here I believe this is the processor and the RAM. So can't wait. Probably by tomorrow or Friday, hopefully. I would get the casing and the motherboard as well. So yeah, give you an update later.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm gonna open it, guys. I'm gonna show it to you. Wait. Just gonna put this back because it's too bright. Okay, that's a little better. I'm just gonna put this here. Okay, so this is the box that I got from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, here it is. This is the RAM. 4400 gigahertz speed. This is the max that the motherboard can take. And this, oh, there's like you see here in the package, there's like I think it's damage in the box, but I think it's okay. So this is the Ryzen 7. This is the fastest Ryzen 7 available. This is the 3800X. So I'm actually going to build a future-proof computer that's gonna last probably for 20 years. This is the fastest processor I can get for the Ryzen 7. The most expensive one too for the Ryzen 7 series. And yeah, I got the Monster processor here and a Monster RAM. In the future I'm gonna be adding another RAM because I don't have the budget for now. I placed all my budget on this processor and the motherboard. So yeah, I'll just wait for the motherboard and the case to arrive. Hopefully it will be here tomorrow or Friday, and going to build a PC.
1 week later.
Okay, so it's the third week. Oh, malobat. Wait. Okay, so it's the fourth week in isolation, working from home, and I'm so excited today. Kaya na receive na ako ang package from Amazon. Yeah, here it is. Last week I got the processor and the RAM, and then this time I got the tower case and the motherboard. I already have the video card and a power supply, so I'm ready to assemble it. I'm so excited. And today's going to be, or tomorrow is my day off, so I have a lot of time to play around with this. And I'm just super excited, super thankful that the package has finally arrived after a week more because like of the delays. And yeah, makasagod na po kong edit, upload ng video. By the way, I apologize ka wala ko ka-upload ng mga videos or any updates sa akong YouTube because I didn't have a computer. Naguba akong computer, so na-burn ang CPU kaya akong gi-overclock. So this time, di na ako mag-overclock. It was a very expensive mistake to make. So cut on ako. O akong gikuan ng CPU is Ryzen 7. It's the flagship of Ryzen 3800X. So I couldn't ask for more. This computer is I'm making a future-proof computer. So in case I will be upgrading in the future the video card, the RAM, it would be very compatible. The motherboard is X570. It's one of the high-end motherboard series there. So yeah, ako lang dyan yung record kay I'm so happy. Karon lang dyan ako na daw nakuha. And yeah, I'm so happy. So, unbox ta. Niya, magasimbol ta. Yeah. Box here. This wonderful. Akong next inbox would be this, the motherboard. Okay, so here it is. It's MSI X570 Pro. One of the best motherboard out there. Processor A7 3800 Ryzen 7 3800X 3rd gen. This is the actual processor. So the processor comes with a cooler, CPU cooler already. So I didn't bought one, but that's gonna be a future upgrade for me. The motherboard, the CPU, and the CPU cooler installed. Now we're just going to install the RAM. Something mo nyo. So, ang maximum capacity sa motherboard nga speed akong giparisan o maximum nga RAM. So wala na ko atong color kay pag maabot sa nipo diri di pa na siya ganahan na may magsigas-sigas sa akong computer. So ako na lang mas gipili na nako ning walay color. Bahalag medyo little bit na price difference. Okay, so it's been like more than a week already since I finished building my computer. I wasn't able to finish the video because during that time, the camera's memory got full because di na ko ma-transfer ang ang content sa akong card sa computer because I didn't have a computer back then. So, complete na ang build. Ako lang i-update because I was like editing the video and I noticed that I wasn't able to finish it. So, here it is. Here's the actual build. Okay, so here I did a pretty good job with the cable management as well. I'm going to show you what's inside here. So this is, by the way, made of glass, and you have to be very careful when opening this because a a slight mistake can like cause this glass to crack. So I'm just really being very careful here. I just wanted to show you how or the final product and complete that video that I'm editing. So here it is. So we have the GeForce RTX 2060, the AMD Ryzen 7 3800X, 24,000 megahertz, 15 CL RAM, just 16 gig for now. The X570 motherboard and the Corsair 650 watts power supply. So this is the final output, and it's a high-end gaming computer, so couldn't really ask for more. I actually just need a monitor because I was like tracing where the bottleneck is, because I'm still like seeing a drop of the frame rate when I was testing it, and I found out that the monitor that I have it's an old monitor and it's only capable of 60 gigahertz, definitely bottlenecking the performance and the capacity of my computer. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to fix this. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Renz. If this is your first time watching my channel, I make contents about my life here in Canada, living alone. I also make some contents about how to get here, tips and useful information that might help you if you're also dreaming to be here. Thank you so much for watching. Amping kanunay og may adlaw sa tanan. Bye-bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end, but take